Hi, I'm Dave with 360 Coatings. First and foremost, I want to thank you for purchasing Remarkable, and I'm here today to ensure that you have a successful application experience. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to talk about is proper surface preparation. The key to a successful application is all about the preparation. Remarkable performs best over smooth painted surfaces, so you want to make sure that your wall is as smooth as possible before you start. And make sure any fresh paint is dried for at least 24 hours prior to application. If you happen to have a textured wall, you're going to need to skim it with drywall mud prior to your Remarkable application. If your wall is mostly smooth, but you have a little bit of texture, just use 220 grit sandpaper, lightly sand the wall, thoroughly dust it, and then you'll be ready for your Remarkable application. Remember, dust is the enemy to proper adhesion. Now let's discuss proper taping and masking techniques.
The key to taping is you don't want to take the tape all the way into the corner. You want to back it off just a hair, about a 1/16 of an inch. What you want to do is just lay the tape, don't stretch it, it's not a rubber band. Lay it nice and smooth, and when you're done taping an area, you want to come back with your putty knife and burnish the tape to smooth out any bubbles that may be in your tape. That will prevent any leak behinds and give you a nice, clean, razor sharp look when you pull your tape.
Now let's talk about proper base coats. The base coat's what's on your wall now. Remarkable performs best over a waterborne satin or semi-gloss enamel. If you've purchased Remarkable White, you're going to want to go over a white base coat. If you purchase Remarkable Clear, choose the color of your choice and then apply Remarkable Clear over that color. It's very important you make sure you let your color thoroughly dry before applying Remarkable, or you could get off-gassing bubbles. Once your wall is thoroughly smooth, dust-free, and properly base coated, you are now ready to mix up your Remarkable kit. But before you mix your kit, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Humidity. It needs to be less than 50%. Your ambient room temperature should be between 68 to 77 degrees, and you don't want any heavy foot traffic or dust being kicked up during or post application. Now let's take a look at everything your Remarkable kit includes. Inside, we have a power-packed informational instructional sheet, your microfiber roller skin and roller frame. We have some rubber gloves to keep your hands clean. And then of course, Remarkable Part A, and then Remarkable Part B. A stir stick, and then we've also included a microfiber cloth, and inside the cloth, we've included a black and blue low odor expo pen for you. The only additional items you'll need are a mix container and just a cheap throwaway roller pan. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to remove the lint from your microfiber roller. Okay, to get started, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and tape your roller and twist the tape all the way around from one end to the next. When the roller is fully taped, go ahead and remove the tape, and you'll begin to see some of the fibers in lint go onto the tape, and then that way you won't have any fibers that end up in your wall finish. Okay, I've got Jamie here with me who's getting ready to paint our office wall, and I'm going to go ahead and walk her through the Remarkable procedure.
All right, well I'm going to start by putting my gloves on so I can stay nice and clean.
There you go, that's good.
And then I'll start with Remarkable Part A.
Remarkable is a two-component product. There is a Part A and a Part B. Just mix Part A into Part B and thoroughly stir for 3 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure, because it's a two-part product, you really want to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. That's perfect, great job. Once your Remarkable is thoroughly mixed, go ahead and pour it into a roller pan and then thoroughly saturate your roller.
Is that too much or
that's perfect.
too little?
Yeah, just go ahead and just kind of work it in. Don't be afraid. You can you just want to get the roller fully saturated so you get a real nice even coat on the wall.
Now this looks like a milky white color. This is going to show up clear over my purple wall, correct?
Yes, it is a milky white color, but it will dry absolutely crystal clear on the wall. Now we're ready to apply Remarkable.
Now do I go up straight down?
Yes, go all the way straight down to the baseboard. Just actually
Okay.
tap that tape. Perfect.
And go right back up.
Come straight back up. And notice how Jamie's leading the heel of her roller. The heel is this portion right here. You always want to lead that as you're working your way down the wall. So that's perfect technique there, Jamie. That's excellent, Jamie. Perfect. Notice how she's just putting it on, going up, going down. She's not overworking it. She's just moving right on down the wall.
Now let's cut in the corners with Remarkable.
That's perfect, Jamie, right there. Notice how she's not brushing. She's actually taking the brush and she's lightly stippling, pouncing the brush on and off the surface. And what that does is give you a nice, even finish.
So now we're ready to roll on the white Remarkable. You want to make sure that when you're rolling white Remarkable, you always have a white base coat. It's very, very key. So we're going to go ahead and roll right now. I'm going to show you the proper technique. One of the key things with rolling is you always want to lead with your heel. This is the heel of the roller. So we're going to go straight up and straight down. You want to make sure that you don't have any missed areas. 100% coverage is key. Any areas that are missed will not work well when using your low odor Expo marker. One of the key things when you're using Remarkable white or clear, you want to make sure that you don't overwork the product. Just apply and go. One good technique when you're rolling and leading the heel is I like to slightly twist the roller real gently so it has forward pressure towards the heel. That will make sure that you don't get any lines from your roller, or what we like to call ropes. When rolling, the best technique is to roll straight up. When you get to the top, move your roller to the right and then come straight down. Move it to the right, straight up, and just repeat. This will give you the most even finish. Once the wall is fully coated with Remarkable, it's time to clean up and let your Remarkable cure for 48 hours. When your wall is curing, make sure nobody touches the wall and make sure nobody kicks up dust. The dust could stick to the wall and hinder functionality. Once your Remarkable wall is cured and ready to use, make sure you use Expo low odor markers on your Remarkable surface. If you ever happen to get a stubborn spot where the ink's not releasing, just use the Remarkable soy-based cleaner to remove that stubborn area. I hope this video helped you with your Remarkable installation, but if you happen to need any more assistance, we developed a phenomenal resource for you in our FAQ section at remarkablecoating.com. Or you can always chat with an online service representative to help you navigate anything that you may encounter during your installation process.